Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Trust Wallet application from your iPhone. If you've deleted your account for Trust Wallet and you'd like to get rid of the application from your entire system, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you want to get rid of your Trust Wallet application from your system, then from your iPhone app drawer, select Trust Wallet, press hold to the app for quite a second, and then in the pop-up, you'll be able to see three options. You can either remove the app from the system, share the application to your friends or anyone else, or you can simply edit the home screen. In today's video, we're getting rid of the application, so let me tap on Remove App. In the pop-up, it'll ask you if you want to delete the app entirely from the system or from the home screen. If you just want to delete it from the home screen and store it somewhere else, you can tap on Remove from Home Screen. But if you want to get the app deleted from your system, tap on Delete App. You'll need to confirm your action by tapping on Delete one more time in the pop-up. Tap on Delete and you'll be able to remove Trust Wallet application from your iPhone. That was how you can quickly do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.